Hello, lovelies. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're embarking on a rewarding journey into the world of yoga, especially tailored for beginners. We'll be exploring the ins and outs of starting yoga, from finding a comfortable space and the essential gear you'll need, to mastering basic poses and learning how to breathe properly. We'll also touch on how to listen to your body and maintain consistency, while also exploring different styles and leveraging online resources. So, grab your mat and let's dive into the world of yoga. First things first, to start your yoga journey, you need some basic gear and a comfortable space. A yoga mat is a must-have for stability and comfort during poses. Equally important is wearing comfortable clothing that allows free movement. Now let's talk about space. It's crucial to choose a quiet, clutter-free area where you can move freely. This could be a special corner in your home or even an outdoor spot. With your gear ready and space set, you're all set to start your yoga journey. Now that you're all set, let's delve into the basics of yoga postures, breathing, and body awareness. Starting with foundational poses, we have the mountain pose, a grounding posture that promotes awareness and balance. Next is the downward-facing dog, great for stretching and strengthening the entire body. Then we have Warrior 1 and Warrior 2, both of which are excellent for building strength, stability, and focus. Lastly, Child's Pose is a restorative posture that allows you to relax and breathe deeply. Speaking of breathing, yoga emphasizes deep, rhythmic breaths. Try to coordinate your breath with each movement, inhaling during expansion or opening poses, and exhaling during contraction or closing poses. Lastly, always listen to your body. Respect your body's limitations and avoid pushing too hard. Modify poses as needed and progress gradually. Remember, yoga isn't about pushing yourself to the limit. It's about understanding and respecting your body's capabilities. Moving on, let's talk about consistency in practice, exploration of different styles, and utilizing online resources. Consistency, they say, is the key to mastering anything, and yoga is no exception. Even if it's just a few minutes each day, regular practice can lead to significant progress over time. But don't let monotony set in. There's a vast world of yoga styles waiting to be explored. From the gentle flow of hatha, the dynamic sequence of vinyasa, the disciplined structure of ashtanga, the meditative calm of yin yoga, there's something for everyone. So go ahead and experiment until you find what resonates with you. In this digital age, learning yoga has never been easier. A plethora of online tutorials, apps, and videos are at your fingertips, guiding you through sequences and providing tips on proper alignment. Remember, the journey of yoga is as unique as you are, so explore, learn, and grow at your own pace. Finally, it's important to remember that yoga is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process. With each pose, with each breath, you're not just stretching your body, but also expanding your mind and spirit. The beautiful thing about yoga is that it meets you where you are. So be patient with yourself. There's no rush, no finish line. Every day on the mat is a victory. Stay present in the moment. Notice how your body feels, how your breath flows. These small moments of mindfulness can have profound impacts on your overall well-being, both mentally and physically. And if you feel like you could use a little extra guidance, consider joining a beginner-friendly yoga class. It can provide personalized instruction and ensure you're practicing safely. Thanks for joining us today, lovelies. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. Until next time, namaste.